Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that Frienda did send me and did compensate me to make this review. I'm going to show you actually how to install this in your garage, so stick with me. What these are parking assisting balls. That's what they call them. What they're designed to do is to stop you when you park your car in a certain spot in your garage so you won't hit anything. That's the idea behind it. So it's really more like a safety thing, which I really like that quite a bit. The balls are made out of very soft materials. You can see here. You do get two of these, so if you have a two-car garage, you're all set. If you have a single car garage, just use one. I'm going to show you how to install it in my garage. So what comes in the kit? It comes with a very long string that's almost like an elastic base string here. That way it has flexibility. When you tap it, it will just basically stop real quick, really easy. As there's a 13-foot long string, so you can adjust it any length. That should be perfect for any garage. It does come with these two eye hooks, and this is what you mount into the ceiling of your garage. And this is the adjusting for the string, a little adjustment pin. Hopefully you can see that real quick. I want you to see that, how that looks. And that's an adjustment pin right there. And that's how you just slide this string in there, and that's how you adjust the height of the ball. So this is what comes in the kit. Each ball is roughly 2 1/4 inches round. Again, flexible, soft. It's made out of almost like a ball material, so it won't hurt the glass. It won't chip your windshield. It's designed to work that way, so you have safety, so you won't crash into anything. So that's really important, especially at night when you pull in your garage and you really can't see that well. This is really big and nice and bright and yellow. You can see how bright they are. So these are going to work quite well. All right, so let's go install these in my garage and let's see how they work. Okay guys, I'm in the garage now. I want to show you. So the car is parked where I want it to be. The first thing you want to do is make sure it's in the right spot you want it to be in. That way you can get by. If you have any space in the back, you want to make sure that you have full access to the front and the back of the car. That way you have no issues getting in, getting out. You get all your stuff in and out, no problem. So what I want to do is I'm going to actually install it right here. I want to show you where. It's the car. So I'm going to have the ball actually hit right around here, and I'm going to put it right around there. And basically just going to run it straight down with a string, and it's going to just touch the windshield right here, and that's how I'm going to install it. So this is where I want the car to be. First thing you do is get the car installed, where you want it to be. And second thing we're going to do is install that little hook like I told you. I have it in my pocket. And let's get that installed next. Here's a little hook, and just basically screw it into the ceiling and kind of rough estimate where you're going to be. You can have the ball hang down. I'm going to show you how to attach it and get an idea how that's going to work. To the this tension ball, and just get this in here. And you can just take up the slack as much or little as you want, like I told you before. And that's the first thing. I just want to get this ready. I'm going to put the hook up there, roughly where I want it to be, and then I'm going to kind of have the ball hanging down, hitting the window, and that's how I'm going to adjust where that's going to be. So I'm going to actually put this eyelet, or this little eye screw right here. I'm going to put this into the ceiling. And we're going to just tap it right in there, really easy. There's not a lot of weight, so it doesn't have to be not heavy at all. And then we're just going to put it up there. I'm going to have the ball hanging down to hit the windshield, and I'm going to get that adjusted just exactly where I want to be. So this just goes right into the ceiling. Pretty easy. Just take your time and just easily just screw it right in. As you can see, very, very easy to install. Just like that. And that is done. That's installed. As you can see, I made the adjustment. Here's the extra string. I'm going to cut that off, and actually goes right down to where I want it to hit exactly. So every time I pull the car in, when it hits that window, just like that, it's going to be perfect. Let me cut the extra string off, and we're going to pull it in and see how it works. Okay guys, I'm going to pull in the garage just like you're simulating coming home. You can see the ball is getting close, and when that ball hits this windshield, that's exactly where I want to be. That is absolutely perfect. All right, guys, that's what I have. Don't forget to follow the channel for more. I love this item. It's just that way, it takes all the guesswork out. You're exactly where you want to be. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for sending it to me, Frienda. It's absolutely awesome. And I'll see you at the next review.